If Google Chrome cannot connect to the internet and you see messages related to firewall or antivirus restrictions, don't worry. This is a common issue that usually happens when your firewall or antivirus software blocks Chrome from accessing the network. In many cases, this can prevent websites from loading, stop downloads from working, or display connection errors inside the browser. The good news is that fixing it is usually very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to allow Chrome network access in firewall or antivirus settings in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed before changing any settings. Once Chrome is closed, open the Windows search bar on your computer and type Windows Security. Click on it when it appears in the search results. This will open your computer's built-in security settings. Inside Windows Security, click on Firewall and Network Protection. On the next screen, look for the option called Allow an app through Firewall. Click on that option. A new window will appear showing a list of apps that are allowed or blocked by the Windows Firewall. Now click the Change Settings button near the top right area of the window. You may need administrator permission to continue. After that, scroll through the list of apps and look for Google Chrome. If Google Chrome is listed but the boxes next to it are unchecked, enable both the private and public network checkboxes. This allows Chrome to access the internet on both home and public networks. Once you finish, click OK to save the changes. If Google Chrome is not listed at all, click the Allow Another App button near the bottom of the window. Then click Browse and locate the Chrome application file on your computer. In most cases, Chrome is located inside the program files under Google and Chrome. Select chrome.exe and click Open. Then click Add to add Chrome to the Firewall Allowed list. After adding Chrome, make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Then save the changes by clicking OK. Now let's talk about antivirus software, because many third-party antivirus programs have their own firewall or network protection settings separate from Windows Firewall. If you use antivirus software like Norton, McAfee, Avast, Bitdefender, or another security program, open that antivirus application. Look for sections called Firewall, Web Protection, Network Protection, or App Permissions. Inside those settings, search for Google Chrome and make sure it is allowed to access the internet. The exact steps may vary depending on the antivirus program you use, but most programs have similar permission settings. If you are unsure whether the antivirus is causing the problem, you can temporarily disable the antivirus for a short time and test Chrome again. If Chrome starts working normally afterward, then the antivirus firewall was likely blocking the browser. Remember to turn your antivirus back on after testing. You should also restart your computer after making firewall or antivirus changes. Restarting helps apply the updated network permissions properly. Another important thing is keeping Chrome updated. Outdated browser versions can sometimes trigger security conflicts with firewalls or antivirus software. To update Chrome, click the three dots in Chrome, go to Help, then click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically install updates if available. So that's the easiest way to allow Chrome network access in firewall or antivirus settings in 2026. The main steps are allowing Chrome through Windows Firewall, checking antivirus network permissions, adding Chrome manually if necessary, and restarting your computer afterward. Most users can fix Chrome connection issues quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.